Welcome back. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can actually sign up for Chatgpt. So now Chatgpt is actually hosted on a platform called OpenAI. So I'm going to go to that site. So I will type www.openai.com. Okay, www.openai.com. So I will click on search. Okay, it's going to take me here. So here I'm going to click on this menu. Okay, I'll click on menu, then I'll click on sign up. So when I click on sign up, so I will put my details here. It's going to ask you for your email, it's going to ask you for password that you intend to use and all of that. So you have to put all of that here, and once you are done, it's going to take you to another page where you can now begin whatever it is you want to do on this platform. So since I have actually signed up before. I have entered my email address and my name and my password. So I will not be able to go through that process again. So, but I will show you the page you are going to move to as soon as you are done with your signing up. So let me click on login, and then I can just say continue with Google. I already have the platform, so I think I signed up with VDK. So it's yes, it's going to take you to this page once you have signed up. So you put in your details, your email, your password, and your name, and then once you sign up, it's going to take you here. So what you just need to do now is to click on this. So once you click on this, then you are free to use ChatGPT. So now you come to this place here. That's where you are going to put in your prompt, whatever it is you want ChatGPT to do for you. All right. So let's say I want ChatGPT to create for me a mini ebook. I can say suggest table of content on the topic leadership by influence. Let's say that's the topic I want. So I'll click OK, this gray button, and it's going to help generate that. You see, it's going to give you the table of content one after the other. This is powerful. So this is powerful. Now I have all this table of content. See all of them about. See, introduction to leadership by influence, definition of leadership by influence, importance of leadership by influence, the foundation of influence, understanding influence, power, sources of influence, building credibility, trust, traits and characteristics of influential leaders, emotional intelligence in leadership, communication skills and active listening, resilience and adaptability, strategies for developing influence, leading by examples, inspiring and motivating others, fostering collaboration and teamwork, ethical, and all of that. So you have all of this. So what you now need to do is to now pick each of them one by one. Okay, you pick each of them one by one and ask ChatGPT to give you content on them. So let me give you an example. Now, definition of leadership by influence. So define leadership by influence. So that's how you're going to pick each of the topic one after the other and put into this box for ChatGPT to actually create something for you. So I'll click on send. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, see? Leadership by influence, the style of leadership in which a person leads and guides others by leveraging their personal qualities, expertise, and interpersonal skills rather than relying solely on formal authority. So you can see that this is a content just for defining leadership by influence. So when you are done with that, you go to the next one. You go to the next. So this is what I want you to do with the assignment I gave you on creating your mini ebook with ChatGPT. So the next one is to go to importance of influential leadership. So you click on it. Importance of influential leadership. So you click send again, and it's going to help you generate it. Okay, see that? It's generating it. So you just go there and check it's generating. You see that? Wow, 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 wow. Your book is already full with all this information. So that's why I said you can actually generate your ebook in 2 hours or even less with your Chatgpt. So this is what you have to do. So what you just need to do is to just give it a title. Chapterize it. Okay, you can have. Oh, I have actually refreshed. So you can just chapterize all of this information. It gave you about 10. So you can have chapter 1, uh, uh, leadership by influence, chapter 2, chapter 3, up to chapter 10, where you make the conclusion. So this is all you have to do. And then you have your ebook ready. So each chapter you copy it and paste inside your Word document. You paste inside a Word document. Then you put in your front matter, okay, which is your dedication, your acknowledgement, your table of content, okay, and then you also put in your back matter, which is it could be about the author and about the book, okay, and then you are done. So once you compile all of this together, you have actually created an ebook for yourself. So this is what the assignment is about. This is how you can actually leverage on ChatGPT to create ebooks for you in less than 2 hours. In fact, in less than an hour, if you know how to use it. All right. So I'll see you in the next video.